Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for car enthusiasts, what to look for in your first sports car. Whether you're a young driver or just stepping into the world of performance cars, this video is for you. We're breaking down the top 10 sports cars that are perfect for beginners, affordable, and packed with fun. So buckle up and let's get started. First up, the Mazda MX-5 Miata, often called the best beginner sports car ever made. Whether it's the NA, NB, or NC generation, the Miata is lightweight, affordable, and a blast to drive. It's perfect for learning the ropes of handling and performance without breaking the bank. Plus, it's super reliable. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-maintain sports car, the Miata is a no-brainer. Next, we have the Ford Mustang, 2005 to 2014. This iconic American muscle car offers V8 power at an affordable price. The S197 generation is known for its classic design and solid performance. It's a great choice if you want that muscle car rumble and straight-line speed. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so take it easy if you're new to high-performance cars. Coming in at number 3 is the Chevrolet Camaro, 2010 to 2015. Similar to the Mustang, the Camaro offers a mix of style, power, and affordability. The V6 models are great for beginners, while the V8 SS is for those who want a bit more punch. Either way, the Camaro is a solid choice for your first sports car. At number 4, we have the Subaru BRZ and Toyota 86. These twins are perfect for anyone who loves handling and balance. They're lightweight, rear-wheel drive, and have a low center of gravity, making them ideal for learning how to drive a sports car properly. Plus, they're modern, reliable, and look fantastic. Number 5 is the Nissan 350Z, 2003 to 2008. This car is a legend in the JDM world, known for its raw power and drift-friendly nature. It's a bit more aggressive than the others on this list, but if you're looking for a sports car with character, the 350Z is a great option. Just keep an eye on maintenance, Older models can have some quirks. Next up is the BMW 3 Series Coupe, E46/E92. If you want a blend of luxury and performance, this is the car for you. The E46 and E92 generations are known for their sharp handling and timeless design. They're also relatively affordable, but be prepared for higher maintenance costs compared to some of the other cars on this list. At number 7, we have the Honda S2000, 1999 to 2009. This car is a masterpiece of engineering, with a high revving engine and perfect 50-50 weight distribution. It's a bit pricier than some of the others, but it's worth every penny if you're serious about driving dynamics. Number 8 is the Dodge Challenger, 2008 to 2015. If you're into big, bold muscle cars, the Challenger is hard to beat. It's got a retro design, plenty of power, and a comfortable ride. It's not the most agile car on this list, but it's perfect for cruising and turning heads. Coming in at number 9 is the Audi TT, 2008 to 2015. This car combines German engineering with sleek styling. It's a great choice if you want a sports car that's also practical for daily driving. The Quattro all-wheel drive system makes it a solid option for all weather conditions. And finally, at number 10, we have the Hyundai Genesis Coupe, 2010 to 2016. This car is a hidden gem, offering great performance and style at an affordable price. It's a fantastic option if you want something modern and reliable without spending a fortune. So there you have it, 10 amazing sports cars for beginners. Whether you're into JDM, muscle cars, or European performance, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, your first sports car should be fun, reliable, and within your budget. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car content like this. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video, and let me know in the comments which car you'd choose as your first sports car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep driving and stay safe.